now.
Great, listen, great game, everybody. Good job, listen, we got a double play the first game of the year. That's crazy, that never happens. Good bats, everybody got hits. Finally, everybody hits. Everybody's learning how to play. You got to move around the position. So that was fantastic. Very excited. I don't have a schedule with me, but what our games are. But I will send a text to all your people. And Corbin's going to hand out 2 game balls, and then we have juice. And before you go for the juice and stuff, we're going to put our games together, okay? But first the game balls.
Okay, so most people are going to get one this season. You get one after the rest of the game, but today one goes to Bruno.
Oh, yeah!